So today I want to give you a tour of my craft storage system. Most of it is from Ikea. So first of all, we have the 4x4 cubbies, which is the Ikea Kallax storage system. It comes in all different sizes, configurations, and colors, but this one happens to fit my space and has the right amount of cubbies for what I need. In addition to the basic unit, I did purchase 2 of the wine rack units also sold at Ikea, and within each of those slots I can fit 4 adhesive vinyl rolls. The fabric storage bins along the top row are from Target. They're part of the Threshold collection. They come in all different patterns. I like these because they're kind of neutral to go with the green walls in the room. And within each bin, I have a different category of craft supplies. So for instance, one is sewing supplies, one is ribbons and floral supplies, another one is paints and glues and adhesives, the last one is jewelry making supplies. For my cardstock, believe it or not, those are from the dollar store many years ago. They were sold as ice bins to keep in your freezer, but I decided to use them or repurpose them for my cardstock. Then we have the Ikea Linnmon tabletop with the Ikea Krille caster legs. This is one of my favorite kind of accidental buys that I purchased. It's big enough to fit both my Cricut Explore Air and my Joy with some room to spare. So it's definitely a nice size table. And the best part about it is it rolls away. So if I need to access those drawers or clean the floor, I can easily do that. Or I can pull it closer to the desk across the room if I wanted to hook this up directly with a USB cord to my desktop computer. Another cool little accessory that I purchased over here, in the back corner, we have a command hook, and I have 5 of my Cricut adhesive mats hanging from that hook. The hook supports up to 3 pounds of weight, and so far so good with supporting the 5 different mats. Over here on the opposite side of the room, we have a 2x4 Ikea Kallax configuration. It's actually 2 different 2x2 units. I don't know if you can see across the middle here. It's actually a 2x2 unit stacked on top of another 2x2 unit. And that was simply because I couldn't fit them all in my car if it was a 2x4 unit. But you can see that each cubby is more than big enough to fit a standard 3-ring binder. Down at the bottom, I actually have, that's a sewing machine case I got at the Lidl grocery store. They don't have it in stock right now, but I know certain times a year they do get sewing machine supplies there as well. So I thought that was a nice little coordinated green bag to go with the green walls in this room. So again, not an expensive storage system. Lots of ways that you can customize it and really suit it to whatever craft supplies you have.